Okay, so it says each year, tornadoes that touch down are recorded. The following table gives the number of tornadoes that touch down during each month of 1 year. Determine the range in sample standard deviation. So we have 3, 4, 41, 123, 199, 98, 70, 84, 66, 57, 109, and 95. Okay. And to get the range, you're going to take the smallest number, which is 3, and you're going to subtract it from the largest number, which is 199. So the range is 196. Now, to get the sample standard deviation, you have to add up all the numbers and find the mean.